Hi guys, Mrs. Garbrandt here. I hope that you are doing well. We are starting our third week of not seeing each other, so I hope that everybody is hanging in there. I'm very, very proud of you. I've been able to touch base with every student but one, which is awesome. So keep up the great work. Let's go over our expectations. So for your attendance, what should you be doing? I've been getting that question from a lot of parents. Your weekly expectation is to check in with me one time per week. I don't care if that's through a Zoom session. I don't care if that's by email. I don't care if that's by text. I just want to know that you guys are okay. Everything's okay with you. And I just ask that you check in with me once over the course of the week by Friday. So the next thing is at least 5 assignments per week. I know everybody's facing different circumstances. So if you do all of your assignments on one day, that's fine. As long as you have 5 done by the end of the week, we're good. If you are behind though, and guys, I always keep trying to remind this. I know I'm getting a lot of, well, the governor said, if we're passing our classes, remember, because we do our classes differently, and we're just taking a class at a time here, you need to be finishing the class that you're working on, or you're not going to get credit for it. And that's provided a lot of flexibility in everybody's lives with our new format this school year, but also means that you do need to finish those classes. So if you're behind, make sure you're getting your classes finished, okay? We want you to get all of your credits to either A, graduate, or B, move on to next school year. And part of that is getting that daily work done. Remember, and I will attach it to the email, I do have 10 a.m. every morning. You can check in with me. Like I said, I don't care how you check in. Make sure you're checking in. Make sure you're doing your schoolwork. And if you're behind, do more than you think you need to do. Worst case scenario, you get all of your classes finished, and then you just have to check in with me once per week. So if you're a senior, guys, it is strange. Who could have expected this? It's not fair to you guys, but here's the thing. Seniors, if you don't have your classes done, I need you to pull it together, and I need you to do your classes and get them done. That way, whenever graduation takes place, you're there. Okay? Should be the most important thing to you right now. And I know, I worry about you guys. I have 23 of you, and I worry about every single one of you. So seniors, please make sure that you're doing your classes. If you were a senior who still needed to test or have some other things going on, I'm meeting with the counselors tomorrow, and I will have some more answers for you in regards to that. As most of you know by now, state testing is being waived by the state of Ohio this school year, House Bill 197. It was passed last week by the Ohio General Assembly. Other than it's being waived, I don't have any other information on that. So obviously you guys all got letters in the mail saying you need to come show up for testing this day. I'm not there. Don't come in. We're not going to be doing those. So the last thing I really wanted to emphasize before I don't take up any more of your time for the day is if you need help, all you have to do is ask. That's my job. I'm happy to help. The only difference is I'm at home and you're at home, but we can do a Zoom session. We can do a Google Hangout call. I did one with Miss Hall this morning. We can even do a regular phone call. I don't want you thinking because you don't have to come into the building if you're stuck on something that I'm not there to help you. I'm here for you guys. However I can help, I will. So please make sure that you're sharing these with your parents. If you don't get them, I will put the Zoom link in the email, and I hope that you guys are well, and I look forward to hearing from each and every single one of you this week. Take care, guys. Stay healthy. Stay home.